Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Bose QuietComfort Ultra noise cancelling over-the-ear headphones. So from my understanding, I'll have to take this away as a replacement to the Bose 700 noise cancelling headphones, that this is pretty much a replacement for those. So the QuietComfort Ultra, which I'm unboxing right now, is the more premium headphones available from Bose. And inside you have like a kind of a quick start guide to show what the button commands do. So I would only assume that maybe there's not an actual quick start guide pamphlet included in the box, but we'll continue to understand that as we go through the unboxing itself. And here is a hard traveling case. And let's see what we get out of here. Okay, so they're definitely different from the 700. The 700 could not collapse. Here they can, as you can see. They feel relatively well balanced in the hand, not too light, not too heavy. Feel okay. They feel somewhat firm. Again, hard to tell, but I'll put it through some paces and abuse in the review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. I'm trying to see if there's anything underneath that to pull it out. I guess it's not. But in the other slots, there's a USB-A to USB-C cable, an auxiliary cable, as it does support a wired and wireless connection. Continuing on with the documentation, let's see what we have. So this looks to be safety and warranty information. And I guess no quick start guide. Like, that is pretty much it. So I'm grabbing the 700 that I have on hand because I want to show you what it looks like directly next to one another. And again, so here's what I assume is being replaced by the Ultra. Look completely different. The Ultra looks like regular headphones, whereas the 700 has that unique headphone frame, like the headband going around the ear cups, but that's pretty much it. So again, a link to the review of the Ultra, as well as a link to my website and social media links are also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.